Abby engaged with our first video of slime experiments. We have experiments with this, but we will show you what we have done. First, the microwave.
Let's not really do that because we've already done
Abby,
that.
just for 10 seconds or 1.
10.
Okay. We will show you what happens. We'll tell you what happens even.
But we'll show you first.
We'll show you first.
Okay. 10 seconds and that's all.
Now with Abby will take over the next thing while I'm the cameraman. We read this. She's the one that came up with the channel.
Ready? Oh no. There's food in there that I have to get out first.
Sorry, that was our mom's dinner. Actually, my mom's. She's a cousin.
10 seconds. Oh, nope. Cancel. Not one. Okay. Oh gosh. That scared me.
This is what happens to slime. It gets warm. It's warm.
Okay, shut that. Like, hold on.
What?
Take the camera over while I put the food up. Okay, take it. Take it.
Now I'm in control now, and
It's not showing your face.
it's not showing
Okay.
my face, so if I get stuff in a way,
Okay, so now what do you want to do?
the adding stuff to it.
Okay, so we already did that.
We already did that off camera, but we'll show you what you can do with these.
Okay, so you can add. Here, let me see the camera. Hold on. Okay, so you can add Clorox.
Spritz it on the slime. You can also add. Sorry, almost fell there. Water to make it extra stretchy.
Come back over here. Add this, and you can add. Grab it first.
And you can even add some sweets.
Yes.
Do not tell your mother about this. She's probably like, no.
This is one of the
And
most
I wouldn't
haunted
recommend
houses.
eating the slime whenever you put things in there. Are you still watching it?
Watching what?
The movie.
No.
Oh yeah, that noise that you might hear in the background is a movie. So
Sorry about that. That's the grunge too. We watched Grunge 1 earlier, then we started to play with the slime. So hey, it's Abby Engage. Please subscribe. We have 0 subscribers and this ain't even on YouTube yet. So when you see this, please subscribe. Please. I want to be famous. Actually, we will not tell you where we're at. But
oh yeah, this is Jiggly slime also.
I think Jigglypuff's made out of slime and so is Ditto.
See, watch.